Morning. So today is Saturday, August 23rd. It's like 8:08 a.m. I'm super happy to be alive. I'm super grateful for the Lord for waking me up for another day, which He didn't have to, but I don't know. He comes in clutch for just the thanks. So today is gonna be my first mini vlog, and I am going on a hike. I don't know what the hike be. I just know say the place open at 8:30, and we're planning to get there at 9. So I just represent my body. I was told to be ready for 8:30. So I'm getting ready for 8:30. So come with me, my first mini vlog. I'm going to put the YouTube skills, Clock it. So yeah, now we're gonna face look a quick skin routine. This I gonna take me about 5-10 minutes, and closer to 10 minutes only because I'm allowing some time for it to dry. And I like my skin, I go on with lots of things. The ordinary. Oh no, y'all, my skin, y'all save me. All right, so me ready. I just need maybe an extra earring, or no more earring. No more earring, no more jewelry. $10. All right, my God, stop the foolishness. Time to go. Literally less than an hour out of Toronto. 40 minutes or so if you're in a Mississauga. Like,
that's a good question that I can't answer. So I'll give you.
After this, we realized that Apple Maps actually left us in the middle of nowhere. So we continued on without any GPS. Best believe the journey got really interesting after that.
And this is where we messed up.
Just a straight line, you would think the map isn't working. Just keep going. Just keep going. It's fine. It's fine. Nothing to see here.
I'm wondering because at this point it's what? You saw the sign, right?
Which one?
The Provincial Park sign?
Yeah, I've seen a couple of those.
I just want to make sure me never send me down one.
It's okay, we can always turn back. We're on a journey too, right? It's not just a destination. But
at least in the story we can say when we got here we were like, what is happening?
Yeah, these.
So we reached some dirt road. Even though the sign them say force of the credit keep going, ain't no look right. Double check. And maps, right? So after following all the signs, we still end up on like a bunch of dirt road. So now sis a double check on Google just for interest we're at the right place, because what in the get out is this?
This is dope.
It's dope, you say? Oh,
You have cell service?
I do, but only 3G. So, turns out we made a wrong turn, or better yet, no turn at all. We turn back, and now journey has resumed. Let's go to the hike. So first thing to note, permit is needed for the gate to be open. So let's get up. Okay, let's get a full day.
Full day to the close, so all good there. Go ahead with your reservation. Check anything. Acknowledge. With your reservation, make sure you confirm your details. Alright.
How much is it? $18. By the time we finished signing up and everything, some other people came, so we just be good citizens, you know, and share the space so everybody can sign up and get their permit. So they have a very spacious parking lot, so a lot of cars can fit, and a washroom there. But when I went to that washroom, I was like, nope. Whatever I brought with me, I took it back home. Never did I go use that. Smaller steps so the phone doesn't shake as much. So the All Trails app says there's a 300-meter elevation, but the Apple Compass was like, you're like 490. Woo! Okay. All right. Exactly what I'm thinking.
Isso era bacana enquanto o puta senta forte. Fugir da polícia pra quebrada meio toque. Cuidado na pista, mas eu sou de meio side. Vou furar teu jaco da Vilone com a Pat. Sou no suque peta com a porra de uma chupa mirada na tua cara. Faz onda carnificina. não me incomoda que eu ando meio brabo com o dedo no gatilho. Mano, vou fuder tua vida, é que eu mando troco bala meio, passo meio fast. Olha só no morro de lado no skyline, roda advante, um body kit foda. Se quiser te mando cola, guarde rei o block. Eu tô no rally ouvindo rock de Ken Brock. Pode ir se ludo no fito, parar no block. Hater enjoado, onde passa, manda coça. Olha,
quick once over again to say bye. Trail halfway, and let's resume the walk on my watch. We even stopped for a while, honestly. Take some picture and chill, rest the foot them. Yeah. Now let's go back. Alright. When I know how much there's in about Jano, my legs. Woo. Nasa. This is no longer a hike workout. It should be this should be a stairmaster. Yeah. But what makes it? The walk to get to the falls was almost 4 kilometers. And now I'm gonna cut out some of that with stairs. Hold on.
Let's do it in one go.
It is gonna be one go. The house is over there, so nice. Anyway, let me stop creeping. Alright. My okay, that ain't bad. Me have hiccup, Jano. Babe. They get the water where you force me to drink from when? They get the water where you force me to drink from when? Thank you.
So,
We're back on Meadowvale. So we cut
we
out
can go
Bruce.
straight or we can go that way.
What's the fastest way back to the car?
I believe so.
Come on, no way that is even a question. And if it was a straight walk, I think the stairs take out a good 2 kilometers out of me a while ago.
Oh yeah, those stairs are a joke.
Focus, focus. Okay. This 2:53. That's a walk time, not including the pauses. 6 kilometers. Okay.
I move on a bunch of strangers every now and then. Recap. How you feel?
I feel good. It was a pretty good walk.
Yeah.
A pretty good hike. Use correct terms. Hit my move goal, hit my exercise goal. well, smash them, you know. It's just, what time is it now? We can't tell the time.
I have no idea. What's your watch say?
No, my watch is on the exercise screen.
Okay.
You want to move it for me?
Oh. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
So it's like, there it is, the time.
10 to 3.
All right.
That was proper. That was proper.
I got a good sweat going.
Yeah. My sweat was okay.
Just at the last bit here, I think, too.
After the stairs.
Yeah, the stairs were good.
Hey, my foot kill me. My heel. My foot bottom. Yeah, that kill me. But anyways, time to go get some food. I'm hungry. That was my workout for the day. 75 soft is almost done. Today is the... I have to double check. I haven't done my count in a while. But yeah, ready. Time to go home. Whammy. One quick stop before we go home. When I eat it, we're not eat it.
Yeah, what did we eat all morning?
Oranges. It's 4:28. Okay.
Fasting and fucking walking. Like we fucking crossing borders
At
here.
least tonight is date night. So I'm gonna get to eat good too. But we still have to eat before we come home. So let's go to my second favorite place. It is 5:21 and we're just about. Leave the old, what time after 8? Dead body.